house, guys. The Opera House. Oslo Central Station right there, looking beautiful. And all of this building, ladies and gentlemen, is Østbanehallen. But in this video, I'm going to refer to it as Mathallen because it's easy for me to pronounce. I'm not Norwegian. I do not want to bite my tongue saying Østbanehallen. I have to take a lot of breaks when I say that. Østbanehallen. Østbanehallen. I'm not even sure that I'm pronouncing it right. But it's Mathallen, guys. Mathallen. Mathallen. Hello guys. Hello. Welcome to Mathallen. Yay. So we are in Mathallen today and we are going to eat some delicious food. We are taking you with us. Our job this summer is to eat in Oslo. So come on guys, let's eat. My daughter have a love for Asian cuisine. Of course, the first place we went to is the Asian restaurant. But before we sit down and eat further, I would like to show you how this beautiful place is looking like. It's Japanese? Sushi. Uncle Greg will not eat it. So wait, make Zoe chop you one. Oh, salad. So which one are you going to take?
I'm waiting for the perfect one.
Okay.
It's already gone.
There are several restaurants on your right hand side of Mathallen. It looks very quiet now, guys. It's because all of the restaurants on this side, they have an outdoor space, so it's very full. Everybody wants to sit outside. Who wants to sit inside when the weather is so nice? Huh? And from my experience, the children love the sushi so much. If you ever come here with a child, this is where they want to eat, for sure. Maybe I should go around and show you guys how it looks like at the back side of this restaurant. Okay? There is a passage here. You can go out. You can go out from here. Let me just show you guys the outdoor space. To your right of Mathallen, to your right of Østbanehallen. Come and come from. Look at this. Huh? The light is not good. What's this place there? Sorry. What is that one called? It stands there behind. Go behind. Yeah.
Oh, no.
Is this yellow bowl?
No.
Yeah, green.
Green.
Yeah, that's 55.
Yeah, it costs 55, but it doesn't say the type.
Yeah.
The type.
Come. Dig in. Nina, but it's pis du har fors. Du kan ta den blå etterpå.
Blue and green.
Please.
There's the sushi.
Oh, this place is so nice. It's good? Have I got? Where is the plate that you like? Where's the blue that you like? Is the blue one? Okay, so when you come into this restaurant, it's a Japanese restaurant. You have a menu. On it is a lot of colors, you know, the different bowls, different prices. So you choose exactly what you want. I think the minimum price there was 55 krona up to 99 or a little bit over 100 krona. So it's not like the cheapest place to eat, but so far so good. On this day, we were three of us. My friend will not eat sushi even if you pay him. So he ate some salad and it was about 150 krona. Right before I dig into that food, I said I do not know why I should come to a place like this and eat noodles. Yeah, that food was very good. The noodles was delicious. Look, you take one more thing and then it's enough.
Bon appétit.
Bon appétit.
You're using the chopsticks well.
Nina, what do you want? One last thing. Okay.
Yeah, you got the chopsticks. Dip it. You want to buy it?
It's good?
Wait, let me do that again.
You see all this one? You have your ginger, yeah, and wasabi. I think it's wasabi in that small one there. And soya sauce. That you can eat as much as you want. Eat it all. Eat all the wasabi, mommy.
Last piece.
Okay guys, in the next video I'm going to show you the different restaurants here in Oslo and Harlem. I'm also going to show you the shops inside and outside. They have beautiful outdoor space where you can sit and eat during the summer. So please come back and watch more. Remember to share, like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye. See, there is a comfort hotel just inside there, I think.